Hello, wonderful Las Colinas science students. You've been reading about chapter 16, electricity, and you've been learning about the parts of a circuit. So there's three main parts to building a circuit. You need an energy source, so we're using batteries today. And you need a load or something that is going to be using the energy. So I have some light bulbs here. These are 1.5 volt light bulbs, and they are screwed into these little plastic blue bases with some metal tabs to make it easy to attach the alligator clips to them. So these are our conductors, the wires. These are alligator clips. There's no difference between the red and the black other than the color. And they are copper wires that are coated with a plastic insulator. And they have these alligator clips on the end so that I can easily attach them to the battery cases and to the light bulbs. And then we are going to add a switch also so that we can turn the power on and off. So I'm first going to build a series circuit. So first thing you need to do with your batteries is make sure that they are all facing the same direction. Electricity travels from the positive to the negative. So you need to make sure it's positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. You had one of them accidentally turned around, the electricity would not flow. Kind of like when you put, the batteries in the wrong direction in an appliance or something that you need to have your batteries. They've got to all be facing a certain direction in order for it to work. So I'm going to add an alligator clip to each of my battery cases. Okay, and I'm first going to just attach, so again, this is a series circuit, and I want to attach these to the switch like this. And I have my switch open right now. And I'm first going to attach just one of the light bulbs. I want you to notice the brightness of the light bulb, and then we'll add some more to our series circuit. So get our last alligator clip on. Okay, and back to this battery casing. It has to be a complete loop so that the energy goes through the batteries and then back to the batteries. And so I'm going to close my loop and pay attention to the brightness of the light bulb. Okay. Oh, I may have just burned it out. All right. Pause it. All right, so now I'm going to add a second light bulb to my series circuit and then turn the switch on. And again, notice the brightness. These are not quite as bright when it was just one light bulb, and when I had just that one light bulb, it did burn out because it was a 1.5 volt and each of these batteries is 1.5 volts, so it was actually too much power. So if I've correctly built a series circuit, if I unscrew this one light bulb, the other one should go off as well. And it does, because there is only one path for the electricity to take. And so you need both of them screwed in a series circuit for them to light up. So let's open my switch. We'll add one more light bulb. And then again, notice the brightness when I've added a third light bulb to this series circuit. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay, and then these are even dimmer still. So when you're adding more light bulbs to the series circuit, that increases the resistance, so they are going to be dimmer. And if I unscrew one of them, then all of the light bulbs go out, because then again, in the series circuit, there's only one path for the electricity to take. All right, so now I'll take all of this apart and we will build a parallel circuit. All right, so now I am in the middle of building a parallel circuit. I started with a series circuit, my switch is open, but then I added on two more alligator clips and attached them to another light bulb over here. And now I'm going to add on a third light bulb back here. Okay, so when I turn the switch on, all three should light up. And then, so there's multiple paths. So if I unscrew one of the light bulbs, the other two should stay lit because there's more than one branch. Okay, I open my switch, more than one branch for the power to take. So again, now I have my three light bulbs. So again, if I unscrew this one, those two remain lit. Okay, and if I unscrew this one back here, those two stay lit. So I have successfully built a parallel circuit. Now I'll open my switch. Okay.